Is your laptop battery not lasting as long as it used to? You're not alone. Let's talk about how you can keep your laptop battery healthy and extend its lifespan. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some essential tips to help you maintain your laptop's battery health. Let's dive right in. First, avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. High heat can degrade the battery, while cold can temporarily reduce its performance. Keep your laptop in a moderate temperature range, ideally between 50°F and 95°F 10°C to 35°C. Second, charge your laptop smartly. Avoid letting your battery drain completely before charging. Instead, try to keep your battery level between 20% and 80%. Modern batteries don't need to be fully charged all the time, and partial charges can actually help prolong battery life. Next, make use of the battery saver mode. Most operating systems offer a power-saving feature that adjusts settings to help extend battery life. This mode reduces the laptop's performance slightly but significantly extends battery life, especially when you're on the go. Tip number 4. Manage your background applications. Applications running in the background can drain your battery quickly. Regularly check and close any unnecessary applications to help save battery power. Finally, calibrate your battery occasionally. This involves fully charging, then fully discharging your battery to recalibrate the battery meter. This helps ensure that your battery percentage reading is accurate, giving you a better idea of how much charge you have left. Those are our top tips for maintaining your laptop battery's health. By following these simple steps, you can extend your battery's lifespan and keep your laptop running longer between charges. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.